A document field can hold a whole other document. Here's a products collection, and each product carries its specs right inside itself. The RAM and the storage nested within the product. No second table needed. So to reach a nested field, you use dot notation to .specs.ram, in quotes because of that dot. Find the products where specs.ram is at least 16. The query walks straight into the nested document. Updates reach in exactly the same way. $set, specs.ram, 12. It changes that one field inside specs and leaves the storage completely untouched. Now, here's the classic bug worth one careful look. Drop the dot, $set, specs, RAM 12. Without the dot, you just replaced the entire specs document. The storage is gone. Dot notation changes one field. The whole object replaces everything. And nesting goes as deep as you like. A .b.c.d walks 4 levels down. The guidance is really the data's own. Nest what truly belongs together and stop before your documents turn into filing cabinets.